This incident really tested the cops. Dinah was a 41-year-old lady who was driving intoxicated like she was auditioning for Motley Crue. On the sunny morning of July 11th, 2023, reports came in of an intoxicated driver careening around Stuart, Florida, and turns out it was our leading lady Dinah behind the wheel.
Driver's license and registration. You don't have one? Registration? Nothing? Getting an ambulance? Zero. What are you under the influence of? Alcohol or drugs? Oh, you could have killed somebody a moment ago. Okay? It was horrible. You hadn't turned the car off for me. I kind of don't trust you at this point, okay? I got one of my guys coming. Okay. You have nothing on it that's got your name on it? No. Okay, well the tag doesn't come back to the car, so what's the car come back to? Cool. You're kind of not helping me out any, so I can't do much for you. I don't know how to turn it off.
And where are your keys at?
Who knows? Preventative, was that you up there?
No, I was in town.
Preventative from crashing whoever's on top of the bridge. Trying's not gonna help, I still want to know who you are.
I'm not blaming you for anything. Can you zip your shirt up for me and then step out of the car?
Oh yeah, I'm a whore.
Appreciate it. What's your first name?
Whore.
Well, I'm not gonna call you that. Can you sit still? All right, talk to me for a minute. Do you have any medical issues at all?
Yeah.
Diabetic, epileptic? You have seizures?
I have a ton.
You have a ton? What kind of medical issues
You know
do you
what?
have?
I'm not doing this. You're not gonna sit here and I'm not doing this.
You're not doing what?
You're
not gonna have a conversation with me?
No, I'm not gonna sit here like you.
Okay, just based on my initial observations and you're not being willing to talk to me.
Nah, based on your observations.
Right?
I'm a whore and you don't care.
Well, that's not what I said.
That's exactly.
And that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to find out if you're too intoxicated to drive a motor vehicle.
No, I never asked him to do that.
To do what? Can you tell me what kind of medical issues you have? Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to take your shoes off?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Right. Ask you to do some standardized field sobriety tests.
Nope.
Are you going to do that for me?
Nope.
No? Okay.
Nope.
What's going on in your hair there?
No hair, man. You have no hair.
Here, let me have your wrists here. Go ahead and pull them together for me. Put your palms together. Hang just like that for me for a minute, okay? I'm placing you under arrest for DUI. You're not complying with anything that I'm asking you to do. Get to the jail, I'm going to ask you for a breath test, okay? I'm going to ask you to provide breath safety.
Oh, why don't you help me not? I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck. My son is a Marine, and I didn't handle it well. I didn't handle it well. I never broke the law. I never hurt anybody.
Okay. Do you know on the side of the road back there, you wouldn't, you refuse to do any field sobriety tests. Are you willing to do those now?
That is absolutely untrue as to what happened.
Okay. Tell me your version of what happened then.
You guys tried to vault to...
Dean, are you willing, I'm asking you now, are you willing to complete some field sobriety tests?
No.
I got camera here, so you're covered.
You refuse to. This has nothing to do with why I was pulled over. Why was I pulled over, sir?
You were asking me why you were pulled over?
Yeah, sir.
The sergeant was behind your vehicle and you were swerving all over the place and you almost hit some officers that were on another crash scene, and then you pulled over and then swerved back into traffic, and then when you pulled over you pulled up onto some rocks and hit a rock.
So you have that documentation, yes?
Yes.
You have.
That's documented, yes.
Dinah was charged with misdemeanor counts of driving under the influence, refusal to submit testing, failure to register a motor vehicle, and driving with a suspended license.